story in much detail. Now, a very interesting story that is coming out in a bid to protect healthcare workers and intensify screening process. Fortis Hospital in Bengaluru has introduced 2 robots for COVID-19 screening. Here's a look.
The Fortis Hospital in Bengaluru is using robots to protect its frontline health staff. Mitra and Mitri will do the first level of screening work before a patient gets to meet a doctor.
You all know that we are passing through tough times in the globe. So here the important is that we have to ensure that the healthcare workers are taken proper care in the beginning itself so that they don't get sick, fall sick.
Let me check your body temperature. Please take a step back and look into the camera.
Robot Mitra asks you a set of 5 questions, takes your temperature, and if it is satisfied, it redirects you to the hospital reception.
The screening is complete.
Hi, Sharon.
But if it's not convinced, it will redirect you to robot Mitri, which will assess your symptoms and will arrange a video call with a doctor.
Throat pain or breathlessness?
No, doctor.
It looks to be normal fever and not COVID.
Depending on the conditions of the patient, a doctor will meet the patient.
So this barrier screening, what it does is, it helps to that the patients, it gives a confidence to everybody in the system, whether it's a healthcare worker, the patient, the hospital, the society in large.
In the Silicon City, what's the best way than to use technology over here in the healthcare sector? And the Fortis Hospital over here has actually done that. Barrier screening is what the medical director tells us, to keep not just the patient safe, but also the medical professionals, the doctors, the nurses, and all the staff over here who are keeping us and treating us to keep them safe as well. But video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Despite being at high risk of getting COVID infection, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation of the BMC workers make sure that no poor in the city go hungry. Here's a look at the heartwarming report that is coming in from Mumbai.
Death of a 49-year-old BMC inspector due to coronavirus has once again raised concerns over safety of frontline workers. This is Bhaskar Jadhav, a BMC officer who is responsible of distributing food to daily wagers rendered jobless in red zones of Mumbai. Despite fears of being infected, Jadhav does not shrink from doing his duty.
मैं आवर्स में काम नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि कोई ड्यूटी आवर्स अपनी रहती है गवर्नमेंट की कि 8 घंटा काम करना है. वैसा डिजास्टर में नहीं बोलूँगा कि 8 घंटा में काम करना है क्योंकि मैं 10 बजे आता हूँ तो रात को 12 बजे या 1 बजे घर पहुँचता हूँ. तो घर वाले भी चिंतित हैं. उनको मैंने श्योरिटी दिया है कि आप चिंता मत करिए, सेफ रहिए.
As the month of Ramzan is on, Jadhav and his team make sure that food packets in the Muslim areas reach on time for the breaking of fast. The BMC says that it is distributing 7 lakh cooked food packets in Mumbai and that the team responsible has to maintain hygiene while doing the deliveries. But as the virus keeps spreading, the risk BMC food distribution staff face is also mounting.
लोग खाने के लिए पहले लाइन लगाते थे, तो फिर अभी डिमांड बढ़ने के बाद में लोगों को न जाने क्यों ऐसा लगता है उनको खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो भीड़ बनाते हैं और इसी कारण सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. इसी वजह से हमारे एक ऑफिसर श्री मधुकर हरियार को भी कोविड-19 के संक्रमण की वजह से अपनी जान गंवानी पड़ी है.
Bhaskar Jadhav is one of those corona warriors, one of those COVID warriors who's battling corona on front lines, distributing food to around 55,000 people in thickly populated slums of Govandi, Devnar, Shivajinagar area. With camera person Kiran Sakpal, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.